So in this video, I want to show you how to solve this equation here, the trig identity. We have sine squared t divided by 1 minus cosine t, and it's in brackets, squared, equals to 1 plus cosine t divided by 1 minus cosine t. So the best way to do it is cross multiplication. So we have sine squared t times 1 minus cosine t will be equal to 1 minus cosine t squared times 1 plus cosine t. Then I can write sine squared t times 1 minus cosine t equals to 1 minus cosine t times 1 minus cosine t times 1 plus cosine t. Basically, I expanded this part of it. So now, as you can see here, I can cancel this one and this one from both sides of the equation, and then these two will be the difference of squares. So it's going to be 1 squared minus cosine squared t, or 1 minus cosine squared t, which will be equal to sine squared t. So that's how it's proven.